Whoa, Cricket Junkie. Whoa, Cricket Junkie. Whoa, CricketJunkie.com.
Hi Cricket Junkies, it's Tracy. Hey, this is going to be a really quick video because I don't have a computer. My computer is down, so I'm filming with my cell phone, and it's pretty awkward to try to film with one hand, but I'm going to try. I just wanted to show you this album really quick before I gave it away as a gift. This is the album in a box by Frances Long, and the paper I'm using is Bundle of Joy, and I think this is Echo Park. This album, I think I got about 35 or 40 pictures in there, so it's able to hold quite a few pictures, and I kind of tweaked it a little bit from her tutorial, and I think it came out pretty nice. And this is what the front looks like, and I just used a wooden frame, something that I had in my stash. Nothing, I didn't make it on the Cricut or anything. I just had it in my stash, and I thought it went nice with this, with the photo. And then this is the side. And again, this is kind of weird because I'm doing this with my cell phone. And then this is the back. And this is what it looks like. It has like a little handle on it. Really cute. Tutorial was pretty easy. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And then I use stickers here from the paper collection, and same thing here. And then this is a pocket. And this paper is it's not from Bundle of Joy, it's from another line. I forgot what it is, but I got it out of my stash. And my sister actually gave me the pictures, so I kind of pieced the pictures together and made the book, and that's why I tweaked it a little bit. And they're showing, their announcements. And that's the baby, my great niece. And then this I got from another paper line. I don't remember which one it is, but I thought it was cute because you can document. Zoom in a little bit. You can document all the milestones. And then this opens. And this is a 5x7. And another 5x7. And then pictures. This holds pictures and then there was a few cards in the paper line. Not very many, but not very many that I could use, but I was able to salvage some from my stash as well. And then this is a pocket, and then that's another page. And then this is a tag. And this pulls out, and then the same thing, there's a picture on the back. There's a really cute book. And then 2 tags here. I just put bread and a flower. Won't necessarily have something to grab when you pull it out. Just 2 basic tags. Now I think this was one where she has a insert, and I just changed it out to a tag. And then once you flip this over, this has a tag too. And again, I use like some little button brads to pull it out. And then these are 3x3, so I stamped place here because I didn't have any 3x3 pictures, and I left space in the album so she can add pictures as well. Once you flip that, and then now this page is, there's supposed to be an insert here, but I didn't add it because I liked this picture and what it was saying, like introducing her to the family, so I didn't want to cover it up, so I chose not to do that. But you can if you want. And then this is like a layout. And then here's a pocket. And then you can put pictures here, or you can put pictures here. And then I just have a few tags in here. This is really, really weird trying to video with one hand. And then once you turn this, and then here's a pocket. And you can add a tag or pictures or whatever you want. And with the heart, I use the Martha Stewart Heart Punch. And then here's the back. And same here, I use the Heart Punch here. And these are magnetic closures, so if you open that, you got space for pictures. And like I said, this book holds quite a few pictures. Although I modified it slightly, the original, I think it's like 30 to 40 pictures. You can probably get a little more than that in here. But my book started getting pretty thick, so I decided to stop adding flips, and you know, that's why I didn't add some tags either. I just left it blank. And that's my book. It's pretty cute. It's, like I said, it's really easy to make. It didn't take me very long. Probably taken me longer to try to close it with one hand. Let me see how creative I can get. Yeah. I don't know about this, guys. This is just really... Uh-oh, I think I got it. Nope. But this just... Uh-oh, I got it. I hope this is not too wobbly. If it is, I'll try to fix it. Alright, but this is my album. And thanks again, guys, for watching. And remember to always subscribe and leave a comment. I try to always reply to your comments. Alright, thanks again. And again, I'm sorry for the wobbly video. You know, I really try to make sure my videos are pretty clear. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Oh, I have another one coming. The same style. Probably in about another 2 weeks, I'll be posting it. So look out for that one. And that one is a boys album. It's really, really cute. All right. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.